Hello, in this quick tutorial I will show you how to change CapCut language to English. This is very simple and very easy. Let's get started. First you need to click on the top bar menu. Click on that and now you have to click on the settings. A window will appear on your screen and on the draft, edit, performance, and then you can see there's language tab. And here you can see that my default language is English, and if I change it to Netherlands and click on save, and you can see that the CapCut is asking for the permission to restart. You need to click on the restart and then your CapCut language will be changed to your native language. So I hope this video is helpful to you. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.